Good morning and welcome to Intervju TV. My name is Richmond and yes, today is the Health Week and we as Intervju use this opportunity to advocate for good healthcare in our environment. Today I have with me on set, what's your name?
My name is Dalibor, I'm president of
Okay, so I have with me Dalibor, who is the president of a football club. Yes, so I just wanted to ask you a question. Is it possible to have a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, it's possible. It's also very difficult because the hardest thing for human is to take that step and live healthy. We always like to be something like that. But healthy life is really tough and it's challenging.
Yes, healthy life is really tough and it's also challenging, but you have to take the step, to ensure healthy life. In your own opinion, and according to your area of expertise, what do you think is the main problem facing, health right now?
At younger age, it's now our main PlayStation, the internet is everywhere, so they are receiving a lot of their free time. They don't go out, they don't ride bicycle, they don't play football, tennis, basketball, or something like that. And I think they need to boost up a little bit and go outside and clear their head. That surrounds them on the internet and to live as a kid, to be free, to be spontaneous, to be smiled and stuff like that.
Wow. So the problem facing health right now, according to Gallup, is that health kids these days are much more addicted to PlayStation and stuff like that. But it's very necessary for us to ensure that at least at younger age we advocate for kids to also engage in sport activities in their free time as well. So lastly, I just want to just look into the camera and tell the youth, the elderly, whoever is watching at the moment, to tell them what is the last thing you can tell them about health.
Live healthy, do sports, go outside and play, live free. Don't look at YouTube, TikTok. You can look, but not 2-3 hours a day. You better play tennis or walk through the woods 3 hours a day, and it will help you more than ever.
Thank you so much for joining us.